In today's video, we will be looking at the latest Tesla news. Tesla Model S Plaid and Model X Plaid spotted at Giga Shanghai. CCS retrofit kit for Model 3 and Y appears in Tesla parts catalog. Tesla wins Kelley Blue Book's Best Luxury Overall Brand 3 years straight, as its cars are the clear choice. And Tesla Model Y became world's best-selling EV in January. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla is gearing up to start delivering Model S Plaid and Model X Plaid in China. The manufacturer's flagship vehicles, which are currently only produced at Tesla's Fremont factory, were spotted at Giga Shanghai. During another drone flyover of Giga Shanghai, Wu Hua on YouTube noticed something interesting. A new black Tesla Model S and a white Model X were spotted in the parking lot at Giga Shanghai, generating a lot of interest. Both vehicles were loaded onto two small transport trucks, each of them designed to carry only one vehicle. Factory employees tried to cover the cars, but the wind kept blowing off the cover, exposing the vehicles. Obviously, these cars were not made at Giga Shanghai, but were delivered from USA, where they were produced at the Fremont factory. To date, the Fremont factory is the only one in the world that produces Model S and Model X, and Tesla has not announced plans to expand their production to other factories. The appearance of Model S and Model X in China indicates that Tesla is preparing to start delivering cars to the country's market. At the end of February, a Tesla Model S Plaid customer in China received an order update. He received an email from Tesla saying that his Model S Plaid booking order, which he made about 1 year ago, was updated. The message was the first hint that delivery is likely to take place soon. To move forward with the delivery process, please visit your Tesla account, the email message shared by the customer read. Apparently, Tesla may be preparing for the grand ceremony of handing over the first Model S and Model X to customers in China, so the cars were delivered to Giga Shanghai. This would be in line with Tesla CEO Elon Musk's earlier tweet that first deliveries could begin in March 2022. Moving to the next update, CCS retrofit kit for Model 3 and Y appears in Tesla parts catalog. Tesla launched a new CCS1 adapter in South Korea last year, announcing shortly thereafter that it would eventually be coming to North America. In preparation for that launch, Tesla added new information to the in-car display to know if you had the hardware required for your car to work with the CCS charging standard. Generally, cars built in late 2019 or early 2020 or later had the message CCS enabled, while cars built prior to that date had the message not installed. That wording of not installed gave owners hope that Tesla would offer a retrofit kit to upgrade the car's charge port. While we still wait for the CCS adapter to appear in the North American Tesla shop, a retrofit kit has been added to the Tesla parts catalog. The part number 165-2400A is listed for both the Model 3 and Model Y, while there is a second part number 165-2500A listed just for the Model 3. All listings have the description kit, retrofit, CCS1 adapter. Unfortunately, the one piece of information everyone wants to know is missing, that's the price. When Tesla released the retrofit in Europe, it was initially offered at €500 or $545, which included the adapter itself. The price was later dropped to €299 or $326. On the South Korean Tesla shop, the CCS1 adapter by itself is listed for 299,200 South Korean won, which works out to $241. Based on the latest information received by Drive Tesla, the CCS1 adapter will launch in North America sometime in the second quarter of this year. When it does, it will open up a number of new charging station options for Tesla owners, particularly in areas underserved by the supercharger network in USA and Canada. CCS stations provide charging speeds up to 150 kilowatt-hours, much faster than the 50 kilowatts limit with the bulky CHAdeMO adapter. Moving to the next update, Tesla wins Kelley Blue Book's Best Luxury Overall Brand 3 years straight, as its cars are the clear choice. Tesla wins Kelley Blue Book's Best Overall Luxury Brand for the third time in a row because the maker's stylish, high-tech electric vehicles with stunning performance and high range are the most attractive to consumers. This award demonstrates that Tesla is true to its mission and makes every effort for its electric vehicles to take over the global automotive market. Kelley Blue Book, a California-based vehicle valuation and automotive research company that is recognized by both consumers and the automotive industry, has once again named Tesla as Best Overall Luxury Brand. This award was received by Tesla for the third year in a row, which only confirms the authority of the manufacturer and its relentless drive to create the most desirable vehicles. The award was received as part of the Brand Image Awards 2022, which recognizes automakers for whom the public is especially enthusiastic about the maker's cars. For the Brand Image Awards 2022, Kelley Blue Book drew on the opinions of over 12,000 respected new car buyers. The respondents were consumers who had done extensive research on the internet before making a purchase. This demonstrates that Tesla is the best choice, especially for those consumers who have been very selective in their purchases. Tesla cars once again won the award due to the fact that they combine the latest technology, high performance, big range, and excellent safety. Electric power, style, and high-tech characterize Tesla. But it's the stunning performance and the ability to travel 300 miles or more on a single charge that closes the deal. The Model 3 is the most affordable Tesla, while the Model S sedan and Model Y and X SUVs cater to customers requiring room for cargo and passengers, Kelley Blue Book noted. In addition to the Best Overall Luxury Brand Award, in the 2022 Brand Image Awards, the brand has also received the Best Value Luxury Brand Award and the Most Refined Luxury Brand Award. The combination of these awards demonstrates that Tesla is focused on bringing to market the best product that provides the perfect ownership experience for owners and captures the love and sympathy of consumers, which is decisive in the global switch from ICE vehicles to electric ones. Moving to the last update, Tesla Model Y became world's best-selling EV in January. Tesla Model Y confidently occupies a leading position in the automotive market. The compact SUV became the world's best-selling EV in January 2022, a monumental success that Elon Musk himself predicted. Electric vehicles are steadily conquering automotive markets around the world, and Tesla tops the rankings in many countries. While the Model 3 was the best-selling EV in the world for several years, now it has been replaced by another model of the manufacturer, the Model Y. The compact SUV immediately captured the sympathy of consumers, so Tesla CEO Elon Musk has repeatedly expressed confidence that Model Y would become the company's best-selling car in the near future. According to data compiled and published by Clean Technica, Tesla Model Y was the world's best-selling electric vehicle in January 2022. The popularity of the American SUV has surpassed even the super-affordable electric car, Wuling Hongguang Mini EV, which costs about $4,500. According to the data, Tesla sold 32,700 Model Ys, while China's Wuling only sold 26,682 Hongguang Mini EVs, 23% fewer than the American manufacturer's model. At the moment, Model Y sales are limited only by Tesla's ability to produce them. However, with the start of production at Giga Texas and Giga Berlin, the situation will change dramatically. Both of Tesla's new factories are starting production with Model Y, which over time will greatly contribute to the active saturation of the automotive market with the hot compact SUV. Other popular electric vehicles included Tesla Model 3 with 15,460 sales, Volkswagen ID.4 with 10,635, BYD Dolphin with 10,602, and BYD Han EV with 10,057. The success of electric vehicles in the automotive market is remarkable, earning a 10% market share in January. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the electric arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.